Have you guys tried yung task natin kahapon? You know, you'll go around, list down some places locally sa area ninyo that you would love to work with. Tapos, yung ginawa nyong work para sa kanila would be some form of OJT or internship, where in return, hihingi ka ng feedback sa kanila, video or written, about the services that you've offered, pagkatapos i-add mo sa portfolio mo as part of your experience. Ganyan. Hi, my name is Mary and I post easy-to-follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. So everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong videos, tapos pwede nyo siyang sundan as some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na mag-transition to freelancing or gusto nyo na mag-start na mag-work from home. Kung hindi pa kayo nakakasali, don't you worry. I got you, Mommy Chu, Papi Chu. The 364-day challenge is here. You can also click the link in my bio here. At pagkatapos makikita nyo nandun siya, 364-day challenge. Punta lang kayo sa pinakambaba, tapos simulan nyo sa pinakasulat na task number 1, tapos pataas na siya. I'll also post it on my Instagram account here, at yung dalawa kong YouTube account here, and here. And today, we're going to do task number 34. So you tried local outreach. This time, I want you naman to try Facebook group outreach. So dalawa kami nag-share ngayon. Ano yun? Oh, yun daw. Ganyan rin ang diskarte. Every single day, magjo-join ka sa Facebook group ng either mga freelancers or yung target market mo. When I say target market, isa-search mo lang kung ano yung industry na alam mong kaya mong i-service. The best use is kapag yung the least experience that you have, the more industries you can service. Kasi hindi ka pa nag-niche down. Wala pa tayo sa part na yun. Kumalma kayo. When I say join groups, here's how you do it. So, punta kayo sa Facebook nyo. Sa phone lang ginamit ko para mas kita nyo how I do it on my phone nang walang hassle-hassle. Magsa-search lang kayo doon sa taas, kung wari real estate. Tapos, click nyo yung groups. Ito. After clicking that, hanap lang kayo dito ng mga groups na hindi nyo pa na-join. Much better if halimbawa US market, kagaya nito. Pag tingin mo doon sa about section, makikita mo na this group is about selling, buying, and all that. Pag tingin mo pa, naka-public naman siya. So makikita mo na, okay, may mga US clients dito na nagpo-post about real estate. So, yes. So, yung pansinin yung recording. Taas. Yan. Tapos, make sure to answer yung mga group questions na kagaya neto, ha? Kasi, minsan hindi nila ina-approve, lalo na nakita nila na hindi naman aligned or fit doon sa group. And then, pag may nakita kayong group rules, ganyan, ititik nyo lang to. Pagkatapos, i-click nyo lang submit. And then, makikita nyo na yung notification na in-approve na nila kayo. Wait, hindi ka kasya, tsaka may meeting na ako. So, for now, yun muna. Practice muna kayo dyan. And then, later on, magpo-post ako for part 2. Hoy, hindi ko pa rin talaga makakalimutan na magpaalala. I-document nyo. It's very important na i-document nyo yung journey nyo. I-tag nyo ko, tapos use the hashtag freelancer na made this 2023. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for my work from home. Chismis. Bye!